Hey guys, are you want to buy best computer for iRacing? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best computer for iRacing that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at STGAubron Computer iRacing, this high-performance gaming PC desktop is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from gaming and streaming to study, business, and creative work like photo and video editing. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor reaching up to 3.7 GHz and paired with 16 GB of memory, it delivers smooth multitasking and responsive performance. The 512 GB SSD ensures fast boot times, quick game loading, and ample storage for files and applications. Gamers will appreciate the AMD Radeon RX 554 GB GDDR5 graphics card, capable of running popular titles such as Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Elden Ring, GTA 5, and Valorant at 60+ FPS. Providing a fluid and immersive gaming experience. Connectivity options are versatile, including HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, RJ45, and serial, alongside dual RGB fans for optimized cooling. The package also includes an RGB gaming mouse, keyboard, and mouse pad. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty with free lifetime tech support, this PC is a solid, reliable choice for gamers and professionals alike. Now our second product is CyberPowerPC Computer iRacing. The Intel i7-14700F gaming PC delivers exceptional performance and versatility, making it ideal for both gamers and power users. Powered by a 20-core Intel Core i7-14700F processor paired with 16 GB DDR5 memory, this system handles multitasking, content creation, and high-end gaming effortlessly. The 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD ensures ultra-fast load times, responsive performance, and ample storage for games, software, and media's. Graphics are powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 16 GB VRAM, providing stunning visuals, smooth frame rates, and support for demanding titles at high settings. Display connectivity includes HDMI and dual DisplayPorts, ideal for multi-monitor setups. The system offers excellent connectivity with USB-C 3.2, multiple USB-A ports, LAN, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. 7.1 channel audio delivers immersive sound for gaming or media. A tempered glass side panel and customizable RGB lighting enhance the aesthetic appeal, while the included keyboard and mouse provide a ready-to-use setup. Backed by a 1-year warranty and free lifetime tech support, this PC is a reliable powerhouse. Our third product is iBUYPOWER Computer iRacing. The iBUYPOWER gaming PC is a powerhouse designed for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Equipped with an Intel Core i7-14700F and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12 GB graphics, this system delivers exceptional performance for gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and content creation. The 32 GB DDR5 RAM at 5200 MHz ensures smooth multitasking, while the 1TB NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast storage for games, projects, and applications. Connectivity is robust, featuring 6 USB 3.1 ports, RJ45 Ethernet, and onboard audio for seamless peripheral integration. The tempered glass RGB case with 16-color customizable lighting adds a visually striking element to any setup. Wi-Fi ready with 802.11 AC support, it offers flexible networking options. This system comes complete with a free iBUYPOWER RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, with Windows 11 Home pre-installed and no bloatware, ensuring a clean and optimized experience. NVIDIA Studio support accelerates creative workflows with AI-powered tools, making this gaming PC ideal for high-performance gaming and professional creative work alike. Now number 4, STGAubron Computer iRacing. This gaming PC desktop is a solid all-around performer, making it ideal for gaming, studying, home use, business tasks, streaming, and even photo or video editing. Powered by an Intel Core i7 4th Gen processor up to 3.9 GHz, 16 GB of memory, and a fast 512 GB SSD, it delivers smooth day-to-day performance with quick boot times and responsive multitasking for gamers. The AMD Radeon RX 588 GB graphics card provides reliable 60+ FPS performance in many popular titles including Fortnite, Warzone, GTA 5, Valorant, Apex Legends, Minecraft, Elden Ring, and more. Whether you're a casual player or a dedicated PC gamer, it handles modern games surprisingly well. Connectivity is versatile with USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, RJ45, and built-in USB Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. The RGB case lighting, 6 RGB fans, RGB mouse pad, and included gaming keyboard and mouse add a stylish finishing touch. With a 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support, this desktop offers strong value and dependable performance. And our last choice is CyberPowerPC Computer iRacing. This gaming PC delivers impressive performance thanks to its AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, featuring 8 powerful cores and a fast 4.1 GHz clock speed. Paired with 16 GB of DDR5 memory and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, the system feels incredibly responsive, offering quick load times and smooth multitasking whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB graphics card provides strong 1080p and 1440p performance, making modern games run smoothly with excellent visual quality. With HDMI and dual DisplayPort outputs, connecting multiple monitors is effortless. Connectivity is well-rounded with USB-C 3.2, USB-A 3.2, USB-A 2.0, LAN, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and immersive 7.1 channel audio support. The tempered glass side panel and custom RGB lighting give the system a stylish, modern look, and the included keyboard and mouse make it ready to use out of the box. With a 1-year parts and labor warranty plus lifetime tech support, it offers great performance and dependable value. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.